back to my channel. My name is Emily Ariana, and today I am back with another video. And in this video I am actually going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty bronzers and a lot of other things from her line. But I think I might actually make this into a two-part video with me doing the eyes separately and also the face. So I'll have the video linked for the face portion in the, like, somewhere around here. Because I don't really want the video to be that long for you guys. So you sit, and I don't want you guys to be sitting there like, ugh, why should get a 45-minute video, 30-minute video, like, no. So yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I've already done my eyebrows, and before we get started into this video, I'm gonna give you guys a second to subscribe. All right, so let's give it a moment. Okay, so now that you're subscribed, let's get started. So I've already done my eyebrows, and the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is get in to priming my eyes with her concealer, and this is in the color, well, this is the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. So I actually kind of like this. I was trying it out a little bit. It has like a metal tip, I guess, to reduce swelling and puffy eyes, which is a good idea. So let's go ahead and prime these, baby. I'm just using that. I'm not even gonna like really take a lot, because a lot of this goes the ones the way. Oh, my bad. And this is in the color Caramel Corn, and all the products I use today will be in the description down below, as you know. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my concealer brush, and we're going to blend this all out. And it could be any concealer brush. Alrighty, so I didn't even tell you what we're going to get into on the eyes today. So today I have the Huda Beauty. It's the Desert Dusk palette. So I have two brushes that I'm going to be using. I'm going to try to just use these two and see if they really work. So I have this brush, which is the Eyes Build and Blend. Her brush is supposed to be extra deal. So this is what this brush is looking like. It's a fluffy brush, and I guess I'm assuming this one's for blending, and this one is for building. It's a smaller brush, so it can get really in the crease, you know. And then this one is the Eyes Blender. So I think that these are for glitter and to pick up the glitter that's in her palette, because as you can see, her palette has a few glitters in it. So those are the two brushes. I'm gonna try to just use those two, but we gonna say, you know, so I might need more brushes in this. And it's gonna be very easy for people who are just learning how to do makeup, so I won't confuse you guys with all these brushes. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our transition shade. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this smaller side, and then I'm going to go into Musk, which is right here. It's the second color on the top row. And I'm going to just get that brush in there and get it all in there. Girl, what's wrong, girl? And then I'm just going to put it in my crease. And this side's for blending, so I'll go and I'll blend with the opposite side. So now that I have my transition color in there, I'm gonna probably take one of these other colors. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these other colors, and I'm gonna probably just go in with the amber right here. I'm gonna take that color with the same brush and just pack it all in there. And I actually really like these brushes because they pick up a lot of product and it really sticks. Yeah. Alright, then we're gonna go in and blend that color out with the opposite side of the brush. So now I'm going to go back in because I really want to build up this color. So we're going to go in with the saffron. color, which is the second to last shade on the palette. And I'm gonna go back in with this side. And then we're gonna just pat that in here, but toward the bottom, like near your lid. And then we're gonna go up a little bit because I want these colors to be pigmented. Yes. So I like to go up a little bit further because I do have hooded eyes, and when I close my eyes, well, when I open my eyes, you wouldn't be able to see it if I just had it in this area. So that's why I go up a little further. And then once I do that, then I'm gonna go back into the palette and get this color, this beautiful color right here, Eden. And I'm just gonna take a little bit and go over this so the line isn't too harsh. Yeah, feel me? Take a little bit more Eden. A really easy cut crease. So I'm going to take my concealer brush, which looks like this, from BH Cosmetics. It's a small concealer brush. And then I'm going to take some of the concealer again. Cut that crease. Cut that crease. Alright, so I have the Huda concealer here with my concealer brush, and I'm just going to basically just cover this concealer because it's what's gonna help me. Go ahead and get that crease. And now I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna hold my eye like this. First, I'm gonna place this. Here. And this is basically gonna tell me where I need to cut my crease, basically. So now that I have it up here, wherever that line starts is where my crease is going to be cut. This one back here too. I'm gonna just create like a little ways for me to know where I gotta go. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. I love ABC. And this is the e.l.f. eyeliner. Cleaning up my eyes. All that makeup underneath here with concealer and the same brush that I used before, the Coastal Scents black concealer brush. To put on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. What we have, you guys. So this is the final look. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. So this is the look all together with the eyes and the foundation. And again, if you guys want to see the foundation, the routine of the foundation, I'll have a link somewhere below because I am doing a tutorial on the bronzer as well. So click on the links, to be somewhere around here. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and let me know if you like the look. He said he likes the look, you know. So with that being said, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell notification because I'm watching. And with that being said, have a good one, and thank you so much for watching.